Hello, good morning. I am Dr. Prakash Arun Bansode, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sangola College, Sangola District, Solapur of Maharashtra. I am a medicinal chemist. I have completed my PhD on the thesis entitled Synthetic Studies in New Anti-Cancer Therapeutics, in which I have developed several lead molecules for the cancer therapeutics, particularly for the breast cancer, brain tumor, and malignant melanoma. Welcome to the National Symposium on National Cancer Awareness Day, organized by School of Life Sciences, B.S. Abdur Rahman, Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, India, in association with Association of Cancer Education and Research. Friends, I am going to deliver oral presentation on the topic ferrocenyl ionic liquids as new generation anti-breast cancer agents. So this is the outline of the presentation: introduction, then synthesis of the ferrocenyl ionic liquids, characterization, anti-cancer activity against human breast cancer cell line MCF7 by using in vitro SRB assay, toxicity against verocells in silico studies including ADME prediction, and molecular docking with cathepsin B. Friends, ionic liquids are the molten salts which have melting point less than 100 degrees Celsius. They have unique chemical and physical properties such as negligible pressure, large liquidus range, non-flammability, high thermal stability, and on account of which it finds uses in medicinal chemistry. Ferrocene is one of the organometallic compound. It comes in the sandwich type of compound category, which has low toxicity, high stability in biological fluids, then favorable redox potential, so it can cause the cell, it can cross the cell membrane. Ferrocenyl compounds displayed higher cytotoxicity against several breast cancer cell lines, several cancer cell lines such as breast, prostate, lung, colon, and leukemia. The incorporation of ferrocene into biological active molecules like drugs, vitamins, hormones is a new strategy of drug research. In the present work, we have synthesized novel ionic liquids based on the ferrocene compounds including ferrocenyl methyl benzimidazole, triazole, and imidazole. Then synthesized compounds were evaluated for the in vitro anti-cancer activity. So this is the route for the preparation of the ferrocenyl tethered ionic liquids, which includes the quaternization of ferrocenyl methyl benzimidazole, imidazole, and triazole using long chain alkyl bromides such as octyl, decyl, dodecyl, and tetradecyl bromide. All products were characterized by using FTIR spectroscopy, proton NMR spectroscopy, and carbon C13 NMR spectroscopy. Finally, the confirmation of the chemical structures were obtained on the basis of the mass spectroscopy. All these products have been screened against human breast cancer cell line MCF7 and for their cytotoxicity against verocells using SRB assay at ACTREC, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, that is Advanced Institute Center for the Education, Treatment and Research in Cancer. So these are the results where the four molecules 2A, then 2D, the four molecules 2A, 2C, 2D, and 4B displayed significantly higher anti-cancer activity and low toxicity against the human breast cancer cell line and vero cells. So these are the cell morphology and cell growth inhibition curves. All the molecules show very good ADME properties and they follow Lipinski's rule of 5. Lysosome targeting anti-cancer drugs is a new emerging area in anti-cancer drug research. Lysosomes are normally involved in autophagy, but they have role in progression of several types of cancers, which are the carcinomas, including breast cancer. So we evaluated computationally the binding properties of the synthesized ionic liquids, active molecules, with the cathepsin B, which is the protein which is present on the outer wall of the lysosomes. So all these synthesized active molecules show very good binding with the cathepsin B. So they are the potential inhibitors of the cathepsin B. So finally, we conclude that we have successfully synthesized and characterized the new series of ionic liquids based on ferrosinyl methyl imidazole, triazole, and benzimidazole by quaternization with long chain alkyl bromides. All these synthesized ionic liquids displayed significantly higher anti-cancer activity against human breast cancer cell line MCF7 and low toxicity against Vero cell lines. All they show good pharmacological properties in silico ADME prediction. Then the molecular docking confirmed that they are the potential inhibitors of the cathepsin B, so they can act as a lysosome targeting anti-cancer compounds. This work has been published in Journal of Molecular Liquids, which is having a impact factor 4.561. Thank you very much.